Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while that I vlogged. You guys, pardon me. I've been so busy with something, okay? So I have my baby in the background. We're about to leave in the house. Actually, I want to go to the bank this morning. You guys, the banking system here, in fact, a lot of things I don't even know how this country works. So I have issue with my SIM card, and I linked my number to some of the apps, online apps like paying apps or transfer apps. I don't know what to call them. Share transaction apps. I linked my number to those apps. So now that my SIM card got spoiled, I took it to the Airtel office, like their office, their main office. They said I have to take it back to the city, I mean the state where the number was registered, because I registered the number in northern India, and then now I'm in South India. So they said I have to go back there, and going back there is like, you guys, it's not like today's journey, it's like almost, oh god, it's quite far from here. So I've gotten a new number, so I want to go to the bank to see if I can link the number with my bank, so that I can be able to do online transaction and online mobile transaction and all that stuff. Hopefully that goes well, because these people, like, if you live in India, you understand what I'm saying. Everything here is quite complicated, but I'm keeping my hope high that look at my look at my baby. I know she's like, who is this woman talking to? Look at the way she's even sitting. So I'm keeping my hope high that I will get to link the, like, I will get to change the number in the bank. So that's where we are all prepared. I'm waiting for my husband. That's where we're all prepared to go right now. You guys, I don't even know. It's been a while I vlogged. I think I'm stammering. It's been a while I took my camera. You guys, the election came and I was no longer in the mood to vlog. But that is not just the thing. The thing was that I was busy. Alright, I'm still busy with something. So, but now I think I know, I just think like what I'm busy with is getting, like, I'm getting free now. So be expecting more vlogs from me, okay? Thank you so much. I will see you guys. I don't know how this vlog is going to go. I honestly don't know how this vlog is going to begin, how it's going to even end. But just know that I'm going out to the bank. I'm going to the bank to sort out my issues, and I don't know what would happen after that, but whatever happens, I hope to carry you guys along, okay? As always, remain blessed. So guys, we are back from this from the bank, and it was so stressful because we went to two different banks, and the joy of everything is that what I went there to do was successful. And not too long we came back. We've had our lunch. I'm making dinner. So I'm making beef stew, beef and shaki stew, or rather beef stew. And I also plan making plantain and beans, right? Okay, so let me show you guys what I'm doing in this kitchen. So I've already started prepping the things for my stew. This is the tomato. I've already prepped it. This is how I prep my tomato. I guess it's easier this way. Over there is the beef stock, and this is the beef and the shaki that I'll be using for the stew. I also got some plantains where why when I was coming back, I'm going to be using this for my beans. And over here I have my beans. I don't know the name for these beans. I think most people call it kidney beans. I don't know what they call it in English, but here in India we call it rajma beans. So I'm going to be cooking this with rice. You guys, this beans is very hard to cook. You need pressure pot to cook this thing. If not, guys, I think this, I don't know what this is called. And I, you guys, I think they some people use this to make baked beans. I don't know if it's this particular beans. I'm not sure, but I think I've seen a recipe here on YouTube where somebody used this to make baked beans. I don't know, but for me, I'll show you guys how I use mine. So this is, you guys, this is how far I've gone with the cooking. I want to put the beans on fire, and I want to start prepping the tomatoes. Yeah, I mean, I want to start frying the tomatoes. Okay, so let's continue. So you guys, I've just added all the ingredients I'll be using for the stew. In here I have onions, garlic, and ginger paste. What else? Curry powder and thyme. So this is how I usually cook, fry my tomatoes. I just first of all add all the ingredients in the oil just to build up the flavor of the oil before adding the tomatoes. So this is what I've just done. I'm going to go in and add in my tomatoes now. You guys, so I'm done with the stew and the rice is over here while the beans is on the pressure pot. So my stew is ready. I've turned off the heat. You guys, I'm done cooking and we've had our dinner. You can see I've taken some rice from the white rice. Thank you so much for watching today's video.